my wonderful chefs. Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional. In this video, I'm going back to basics and making some eggs. To make sunny side up eggs, all you really need are, well, some eggs, a skillet or frying pan of some kind, and some kind of fat like oil, butter, non-stick cooking spray, plus some good old salt and pepper. With that said, let's start cooking. Start off by heating up your pan. Once it's heated, add in your fat or spray on the pan like I'm doing here. Then crack in your egg. Try not to get any shells inside. Sometimes people prefer to crack them into a bowl or a ramekin and then slowly pour the eggs into the hot skillet, which actually really helps set the yolk in the center of the white. Plus, it helps to avoid any contamination in the pan or get any shells that might have wind up in the cracked egg. I just crack it on the side of the skillet and pour the egg in, trying to get as low and close to the skillet to try to keep the egg from breaking as you place it into the pan. When cooking eggs sunny side up, you're trying to avoid letting the edges of the egg white to get crispy or brown. In order to do this, once the egg is in the pan, remove the pan from the heat to cool for a minute or so before returning it to the heat to continue cooking the egg. Once the egg's cooked for a minute or so, add in your salt and pepper. I don't do this in this video because you won't be able to actually see the egg cooking in the video if I did it this way, but it's best to cover the skillet with a lid and cook the eggs over low heat, and it almost steams the egg. That's kind of the best way to cook an egg regardless. It helps to set the whites a little bit better. Once the eggs are set, place them and dive in. Look how great these turned out. I really love me some runny yolk. This is delicious over pretty much anything. You could put this on toast. You could put this on a bagel. You could eat it straight up like I'm doing here. This is just one of life's greatest treats. If you all liked this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!